Welcome to Unboxing Monday. Yes. Okay. What is all of this? Here, let's get rid of this. Let's just fold this up so I don't have packing everywhere. Okay, look at this. This is a professional hair dryer. How awesome is that? Okay, I need a read on this because I haven't seen this. This is so new. Is all of this. Here, let's get rid of this. Let's just fold this up so I don't have packing everywhere. Okay, look at this. This is a professional hair dryer. How awesome is that? Okay, I need a read on this because I haven't seen this. This is so new. Perfetto. But how cute is that? Look at that design. I'm so curious to see how this works. It's the lightest dryer on the market. IQ is it's ultra chic, which is cute. It's very different and very fun. Very Italian design. Okay, great. Let's open it up. She looks really cute. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, so we got the diffuser. Awesome. This is how you can tell the quality of a dryer. Like automatically, look how awesome and durable this cord is. The other thing too is let's see how this, wow, that's really unique. Can you see how that goes in? You think that it clips, but it goes in between those surfaces and it locks in pretty great. So you got your diffuser, awesome. Now we have our directional spray, or I'm sorry, our directional nozzle. And that pops in, and this is obviously for a smaller section of hair. And then this, I haven't seen this in a long time. It's a wider selection, so you can cover more surface space. And this is super lightweight. I cannot wait to give this a try. Look how awesome. I guess it's the actual size. Oh. Perfecto. Long life, professional hair dryer. This is so cool. Do you know what? I think I may just have to plug it in. Stand by. Okay, well, it says to pull this off so your vent can breathe. So we're going to just do that now. And then I noticed that it has... Oh, let's get all of this off. It has a plastic coating around it. Oh, I see why they wrapped it in plastic, because the handle is a little coated so it doesn't slip out of your hands, which I love. All right. I need to unhook this so I can get some power because I'm turning it on right now. All right, so this is now plugged in. I'm just going to pull this cord over to this side. This is cool. Oh, wow. You guys, I have my mic on. It's super quiet, too. I think I might have a new blow dryer. Okay. Stand by. I want to do this directional nozzle. This is so dang cute. And it works really nicely. Okay, let's turn that on. Oh yeah. Here's what's really interesting too. Your temperature is this slide nozzle. So a slide nozzle, that doesn't sound right, but it's this button and you push and it increases the heat. Can you see your little lever, your little lights going up? Oh, that feels good. Same with your airflow. You just push. And even on its highest speed, it's still much more quiet than a lot of other dryers. Ooh, this one's a good one. And then if you want to switch it to cool, push that all the way down. And then there's a little cool shot button right here. This is awesome. Gama Professional ASMR. I don't even want to say it. But my neighbors just walk by and they're like, dude is blowing himself. If only. Yes. I really do love this. I'm kind of obsessed with it. I think it's going to go in my kit.